Stop by and take a look at the 2016 GMC Sierra 1500. The Sierra 1500 offers a 5-star frontal and side crash test rating and a combination of mechanics and aerodynamics that give it better conventional V8 fuel economy than any competitor. Sierra 1500 now comes standard with a Vortex 6.2-liter and 5.3-liter V8 engine and an electronically controlled automatic transmission that combines high max hauling capability with precise control and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: Bose sound system, heated seats, anti-lock braking system, traction control, power passenger seat, 4-wheel drive, running boards, navigation system, XM satellite radio. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.